My name is Jacco Hoekstra and I'd like to welcome you to the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering of the Delft University of Technology. The Faculty of Aerospace Engineering offers a wide array of facilities. They enable both students and scientists to perform research of any kind on any field that is related to aerospace engineering. Our facilities range from a state-of-the-art technology flight simulator to a faculty-owned airplane, the Cessna Citation PH lab. This video offers you a quick tour through the faculty and shows you the advanced technology which enables us to do our research, of which my colleagues will provide you with many interesting details. Enjoy watching.
Now, the working principle of a wind tunnel is not have a flying aircraft through fixed air, but transfer it and have a fixed aircraft and then blow the air over the wing actually. Well, for our research, having wind tunnel facilities is key because fluid flows are the driving principle both for wind turbines as for aircraft. So you need wind tunnels to be able to investigate your fluid flow phenomena.
Well, we're here in the clean room, which is set up about 10 years ago, and that was set up at the start of the Delft C3 project, which is now in orbit. And the intention here is to integrate, assemble and test small space technology. It's called a clean room because it's about 300 times cleaner than the environment outside this clean room. And that's very important for optical instruments, but also for things like microtrusters, which might get jammed by dust.
This faculty at Aerospace Engineering, we have invested a lot and we keep investing a lot in facilities. The history of Simona is a long one. I think it all started with the vision of my predecessor, Bob Mulder. He basically got, let's say, a couple of faculties within TU Delft together. Well, after a couple of years, basically the aerospace engineering faculty finished the simulator and well, the result is what you see right now. I think our research is really important because the things that we build at CNS, they are crucial for safety, once and for all. I mean, I think that's the main thing that we do.
Actually, the slogan of the lab is from micro to mega. We create new materials, we make parts with them and we test. We have a chemistry lab where we can create polymers, create new stuff at that level. From there we can make structures and we can test them. We have the lab, we have the ability of thinking out of the box. I think that's a Delft thing actually.
Since 1945 we always had an aircraft for testing and for proving our concepts. For every project, you could say, we need to design equipment, we need to certify it, we need to produce it, and we need to install it in the aircraft. And we are all able, with all the organization that we have now, we are able to do this. And we have a flying classroom that can be fitted in the cabin. So every student has their own screen and information and parameters showing, so they can actually see how they evolve during flight.
Nothing compares to reality, you know, and it is so important that you as a student get the opportunity to work through the whole thing until including the reality.
It starts with a concept, then we work the concept out, we actually build it, launch it and operate it in space.
The wind tunnels are not only used for research, but also used in the educational programs.
What we have here in Delft, when you look at Simona, but also other facilities, it's unique.
Groups of students actually go into the wind tunnel and perform measurements themselves.
You know, the connection between theory and practice is extremely rewarding, but also important.
And it makes it much easier for us to prove that the things that we do are really true, that they are valid.
We let our students do the work in the lab. What happens in other labs is that you have technicians who will do the work for you.
When you really experience things, it's also better to explain. You got better stories, you got better examples.
The real thing gives you a feedback which is beyond any other value, and that is something which really students should feel. They should see the experiment, they should see the frustration that it doesn't go exactly the way they thought it would go. They learn from it, and they also get confidence once you're successful.
What you learn in class, they come to life when you fly.
If this film made you curious, if you want to know more about our faculty, explore this website or give us a call and learn more about the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering at the Delft University of Technology.